This video will help you practice common English idioms and how to use them in different situations. Common English idioms. Part 7.
Cold turkey. This idiom refers to suddenly stopping a habit or addiction without any gradual reduction.
I quit smoking cold turkey and it was really difficult, but it was worth it in the end.
In hot water. This idiom means to be in trouble or to face negative consequences.
I'm in hot water with my boss because I missed an important deadline.
Get the ball rolling. Starting something.
Let's get the ball rolling and plan our vacation.
It's raining cats and dogs. Meaning heavy rain.
I can't go outside right now. It's raining cats and dogs.
Drop the ball. To fail to do something that you were responsible for.
I'm sorry. I dropped the ball and forgot to follow up with the client.
Hit the jackpot. To have great success.
I can't believe I won the lottery. I really hit the jackpot this time.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't assume that something will happen before it actually does.
I know you're excited about your job interview, but don't count your chickens before they hatch. Wait until you get an offer.
Every cloud has a silver lining. Every difficult or negative situation has a positive aspect.
I was disappointed not to get the job, but every cloud has a silver lining. I can now look for other opportunities that might be a better fit.
Jump on the bandwagon. To join a popular trend or activity.
Everyone seems to be going vegan these days, so I decided to jump on the bandwagon and try it out.